Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by evening the chicken so it cooks uniformly. Pounding to 1/2 inch removes thickness variance and prevents dry edges. Once done, arrange 3 stations: flour, beaten eggs, and seasoned breadcrumbs to streamline the workflow and avoid soggy coating. Make sure to season the meat directly with salt and pepper so flavor penetrates. Resting for 10 minutes helps the surface dry slightly, which improves adhesion. This small pause makes a big difference when you move to dredging. Now you dredge each piece. Coat in flour, shake off excess, dip into the egg, then press breadcrumbs firmly to form a good bond. Repeat for a deeper crust. Heat a mix of oil and butter until it shimmers. This gives color and prevents burning. Once searing, maintain medium-high heat to create a golden crust. Turn once after 4 to 5 minutes. Use an internal thermometer to confirm 74 degrees C so the chicken is safe yet juicy. Finish by resting the chicken on a wire rack for 5 minutes. This prevents steam buildup under the crust and lets juices redistribute, preserving moisture. If the crust turned soggy, re-crisp in a 200 degrees C oven for 5 to 7 minutes. This revives crunch without overcooking. If you find any piece undercooked, transfer to a 180 degrees C oven until it reaches an internal 74 degrees C. One key troubleshooting tip: if breadcrumbs brown too fast, lower heat and cover briefly to cook through without burning the exterior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.